Welcome to clickmailproject.com.
Now we can going to discuss about the product power minimization pre-coding in uplink multi-antenna NOMA systems with the jamming. Next we can going to discuss about the abstract of product. The proposed system will be implemented on the only based power domain. The power domain will be you can import it for technique for NOMA systems. The NOMA system will be capable of improving spectral efficiency. We can improve the spectral efficiency. Massive of cell users will be connected, but we can disadvantage of this NOMA system for this transmission susceptance of jamming attackers will be easily attacked on NOMA system. So this paper will be mainly focused on this jamming attackers will be the detective, and we can rectify and restrict our for the jamming networks, and our technique for the anti-jamming decoding design that minimization of total transmit power for the uplink NOMA system. This NOMA system is not only for single NOMA system. This is a multiple input and a multiple output NOMA system. The transmit power will be same, but the group of successive division interfacer will be different, and these are lot of eliminate the harmonics levels for that interface of the power efficient, and we can using the two different consequence algorithms, like using that matrix simulations algorithm for that OMA and NOMA systems. For this alignment will be implemented at the only pre-coding process. We can enhance the spectral power efficiency. The simulation will be done on MATLAB 2015B. Next we can going to discuss about the slowdown of your product. First we can see about the general random input data. This is an we can generate the random data for the input of k users and the end subcarrier. Something will be generated this block. This block will be given to the optimized problem of P1. This P1 is nothing but we can using this Spanish matrix will be find out them, and this Spanish matrix we can use in the message passing technique of this block, and this is one of the optimization technique will be imported to the determination of unity matrices. These unity matrices will be find out the different characteristics of the our signal and of NOMA system, and improve the power domain. This determination of unity matrices are the major step to apply for the our two different algorithms, like a sequential algorithm A and sequential algorithm B. The sequential algorithm A is an only implementer for the channel sequence carrier. We can import it for the algorithm A, and sequential B algorithm we can improve the spectral efficiency of the power domain. We can improve the sequential B algorithm. This is a continuous random of 3 different colors, and this is an consequence color of the channel estimate of different colors, and these are diagonal matrices. We can find out the diagonal matrices of these two different combinations of algorithms, and these techniques will be passed to the effective number of antenna jammers, because we are on user side. One user can pass to the antenna jammer. It can pass to the number of user groups, and the number of user per area will be find out the specific area sections. These sections we can getting the maximum number of elements and the maximum of groups. We can find out that. After we can correct our antenna jamming system, we can find out that, and we can prepare to that process. So we can move to conventional matrix for jamming system, and finally we can move on to the performance analysis. The performance analysis, we can results like we can using the channel estimation, and two different consequence algorithm, and different types of users like of single and multiple of antenna systems. Everything we can find out the result performance analysis. So these are entirely based on concept and implementations for this NOMA system. Next we can going to discuss about the running procedure of your product for NOMA systems. The proposed system is implemented for the MATLAB 2015B, and this is our main function file, and this is our function sub functions file, like this and the different functions calling to each others, like eigen entropies and different sets of functional parameters we can call into each other them. So don't modify that this function file, and this and mat file we can store that some data functions, and just I will run that this main dot run. It will be running now. It's still loading, so wait a moment for this loading this wait bar. Almost it will be completed. The execution will be completed. Next we can see about our results, and this is our sequential algorithm of A. You can see that this is like red channel and a green channel and a red channel and a white channel. This is a sequence of channel we can create for the normal system. So this is a sequential algorithm, and algorithm for sequential algorithm for B. This is unlike sequential algorithm B. We can see that segregate the green channel, segregate the red channel, and segregate the white channel. So we can different types of category channels in our normal system. So we can separate them. This is an installation of uplink transmission with the jamming attackers. Like we have different types of users. You can see in different ranges, like this user, and these users, and we have one base station. In jamming attacks, we can one cyber attack. We can attack it for this jamming technique in base station. This base station will be attacked on these jammers. So we can consider the jammer attacks. We can eliminate our jamming attacks for the successive noise interference for the improve the uplink transmissions of the our normal system. So this diagram will be major explanation for this for user to base station and the jamming attackers also. Next, this is our total power consumption versus user data requirements for the single data stream for users. So this is like our algorithm steps. Like this is an OMA for previous existing systems. Like we can using this is like comparison algorithm, and this is our proposed system for that NOMA for algorithm of sequential algorithm A and B. So this graph will be plotted, and this is the total power consumption versus user data requirement of multiple data stream for users. And you can see the blue color is on previous one our existing system, like, and the red is on the proposed system algorithm B, sequential algorithm B will be used, and green is on we can using. This is versus power consumption to the required power per users, and this is our cumulative functions for the total power consumption of the single stage of the our stream data. Like we can using the proposed algorithm for normal system A and B, and this is our existing ones. This is our total power consumption versus number of antennas, number of antenna in jammers. We can using the 7 jammers, like 1 to 7 jammers. We have different types of jammers we can using that, and this is like different types of we can line to getting that. And these are the cumulative functions for the user of single data users. So this is not for line, this is like the number of points we can connect to the previous ones, and we can now our existing and our proposed system will be implement this performance plot. This is on total power consumption versus number of groups. Number of groups means we can certain type of users we can segregate the one group, and certain type of groups in another segregated group. These two groups are combined to our user substations. The substation we can carry out the signal. So this power will be dissipated for that. This total power consumption we can occur in our normal system, and the successive interference we can mainly act on for this place. And this is final result for our system. This is total power consumption versus number of groups. These groups will be single stage groups, like we can using that concept the power and affected the different groups. Like we have using the attackers means we can jammers attack these specific groups. We can not getting that proper QoS, quality of service, and we are getting the another side of getting the better to quality of the service. So this is a combination of different bits per frequencies we can consider in the different users. That's all. Thanks for watching.